Hi, I'm Barb, and I'm sitting at the Destiny, which is a totally amazing machine. Come on in. I want to show you some things. Now, I've got my fabric over here under the machine, but what if I want to see my fabric to place something perfect, and I want to make sure I've got it in the right spot? I'm going to come over here. I'm going to push this little camera right up here. Look what it does. It shows me the fabric under my needle. Now keep it there. I'll put my finger over there. That is how perfect that camera. I just love that. All right, but what if I need to see more than that? That's just not enough to see, because you not only can you see the stitch that I've got on my screen, I can change the color if it's not the right color for what I'm trying to do. But see this little plus sign? I'm going to touch that. Look at that. I can see so much more. And right there, I can perfectly place whatever I want to place. And there is no question. Okay, let me do a needle drop. Okay, use the pressure foot and put it down. I can do that. Now it's going to show me where that needle is going to drop. Do you think I'm going to make a mistake after this? It's going to be pretty darn hard.